Hey everyone, welcome back to her code canvas. In today's video, I am going to show you how to design an animated website in Figma. We will go through everything step by step, from setting up the layout, adding animations, creating smooth transitions, and making the whole page look clean and modern. My goal is to make this super easy to follow even if you are a beginner. So just open your Figma file and follow along with me.
So here we are on our Figma screen. Here I collect all the assets we need in this design. The color palette, icons, images, and content. All of these are here. Now select a frame. Resize this frame. Yes. The height will be 800 and width will be 1440. We'll name it as hero section. And we give it a corner radius 25. Yes. Now we'll give it a BG color, which we have already in our palette. That's light purple kind of shade with a darker purple shade. Yep, we select this and we will give it a radial gradient so that it looks more focused and clean. Okay, now let's apply the content and images we have. You can easily generate these images from Gemini, Nano Banana, or just use any of images you like from the website like FreePic. Here is our nav bar. I created this logo on my own and will provide a grid, layout grid. It's very important to organize your content. Yeah. Now the heading. The font I'm using here is Manrope. These are the simple steps. Just follow as I'm doing here. And here our hero section is ready. Now the next section, we press Alt and drag it out. Now we select each of these items except header and we'll delete it. Then we create the next section. Okay, we'll delete the header also because this is the white themed. This will gonna be a white themed section, so we'll create a rectangle box here with corner radius 35. Okay, adjust the borders and all. Paste our header here. Now the second image, the heading, the same font I'm using here, Manrope, with -2 spacing. We put this check our cases thing here, and then we'll place this content here. You can get this content from the plugin content reel. Here it is. And yeah, adjust little bit and your second section is done. Now press Alt and drag it out too. Then delete everything except header and the check our cases thing. It will remain same, and place the content here. This is the same lorem ipsum content, and then we'll drag it out these boxes. These are the simple rectangular or square boxes with icons. Okay, so here are our 3 sections ready. Now we're gonna place these three sections in a single frame. Like this. Give it a background color dark purple and hide the grids. Color it pure white. Yep, now it's ready. You can see how classy and how clean it is looking. The whole UI. Simple and soothing. Now we will check this in the big screen and then we will animate it. This looks pretty nice. Now let's animate these sections. I will copy this whole frame and will select this hero section frame. Select this hero section frame and make it a component. Yes, this is the master component. We will duplicate it by pressing Ctrl D and will drag out the master component. Now create a variant from this plus icon. Now select the frame and select auto layout. And give this space between these two frames. And yeah, now we will drag out all the items from this frame and make sure you take the clip content option, and we will make this appearance 0 and we'll go to prototype and we'll give it a mouse enter effect with smart animate. Okay, let's check this out. This is too fast. Now we'll make it slow. So let's make it 1200 and we'll see. Yeah, now it's perfect. Similarly, we'll do with this one. We'll select frame, make it a component, drag out the master component, make a variant, then make it a auto layout, give space between frames, and yeah, now drag out all the images with appearance 0. Yes, now we will give it a same mouse enter effect. Now move on to next section. Make it a component, drag out its master component as I'm doing here. Make it a variant by clicking that plus icon. Make it auto layout. Now drag out the elements with appearance 0. Now in this one we'll do it in different way. So let's follow these steps I'm doing here. We will create 3 frames in this one to make the animations more smooth. So let's drag out these boxes too. Make these content element n with appearance 100. Use the grid layout to adjust these elements. Now hide it. Yeah, it's perfect. Now apply the prototype. Make sure to change it into after delay, the last frame. Yeah, let's check. Okay, here I select click on. So we'll change this on click setting into mouse enter 1. Yes, now replay it. Alright everyone, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this step-by-step animation tutorial in Figma. You can see how clean, modern and smooth this UI looks, and these small animations really create professional and premium feel to any website. Even simple motion can make your design look more alive and engaging. If you liked this design, make sure to like, share and subscribe to her code canvas for more such clean and modern UI UX tutorial. And if you want to make a video on any specific design or animation style, just comment below. I would love to create it for you. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next video.